What is good, everybody? I'm your guy Rez, and we are back again with another video for 2021. Let's go. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend thus far. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, I welcome you. It's all love. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and share the video. Of course, I would greatly appreciate it. All right, y'all. So I have a mail day pickup that I want to share with you guys. This box has actually got some weight to it, but I already know what this is, but you guys are probably wondering, what did I get? So surprisingly, these items here are not jerseys. I know, right? I know a lot of you people are thinking, what jersey did I get this time? It's actually, they're not jerseys. These are items that I've been looking at for quite some time now, so I'm gonna share with you guys what they are. All right, guys, so I do want to give a huge shout out to the people over at Chalkline. For those of you who don't know, Chalkline is a brand that specializes in a lot of like sublimated jackets. They did a lot of like old school sports jackets back in like the 80s and 90s, like a lot of those satin jackets with like the blocking lettering of the team's names in the back and stuff, and it's pretty dope. You know, I never really like got too heavy into jackets like that, but you know, now like their jackets and the type of products they put out have just been simply amazing. Like, I've seen a lot of their stuff on their website that kind of piqued my interest, but I never really decided to pull the trigger on it up until now, because they actually were having a year of the end sale, like a New Year's sale at that time of like towards the end of 2020, and I was like, yo, I'm gonna pull the trigger on some of these because they have some dope gear. But enough of my talking. Why don't I share with you guys what the pickup is that I got? So to start things off, this is the first thing I see in the box. This is a dope jacket right here. Let me unbag this for y'all. Oh snap, look at that, the big red machine Kane. This is a super dope jacket. For those of you who don't know much about me, I was a huge wrestling fan in the 90s, 2000s. A big fan in the Attitude Era. This played a huge role in my youth. But Kane was such a pivotal character, I think, for a lot of wrestling enthusiasts back in the Attitude Era. So Kane was one of my favorite wrestlers growing up as a kid. I loved the mask Kane, and Chalkline did a fantastic job with this jacket. As you can see, as I turn it around, just has that beautiful sublimation right there of Kane in his signature uniform, you know, with the sleeveless suit that he had with like the flames burning. This was like a really dope jacket, and when I saw this was actually on sale. I believe it was 25% off when I pulled the trigger on this. You have these like designs on the side right here, which are really cool. Yeah, this is a super dope jacket. As you can see right here, you have that like red, that black that just kind of starts fading into that fiery red color right there from the depths of hell, you know what I'm saying, back then. And you have that Kane right there that is sublimated, the design with that fiery outline right there on the lettering. And then of course on the side, on the arm sleeves right here, you have like the Chalkline with Kane's signature right there, as you can see. Then you kind of have that like nice retro color vibe of that yellow, the black, and the red. Kind of has like that Atlanta Hawks vibe with there. But then you have the Kane with the mask right there, just kind of looking at you with his menacing mask look, as you can see, the big red machine. And then on the other side, you have that same design right there, same look. And then on the back of the jacket, you have that beautiful sublimated design right there of Kane, the Chalkline branding right above the back of the neck area. And then you have, of course, that fire of Kane right there coming out from the depths of hell. So this is a super dope ass jacket, man. Neck tags, Chalkline. I didn't really know what size to get for these jackets, because I know the older Chalkline stuff typically run a lot smaller, and then I heard that they kind of modified their sizing to fit more of today's standards. So I went with a large on this one. This was the only size they had left, really, that was closest to my size. I usually wear jackets in extra large depending on the brand. Right, let's see what we got here. Yo, these are dope. You already know Rocking it with the beanie, of course. Gotta have the matching shorts. Damn, this is dope right here. Look at these. There's some sublimated shorts made by Chalkline. Good people over there. And I love these. I love these shorts, man. When I saw these, I saw they were on sale. I was like, yo, I'm gonna pull the trigger on these. Power Rangers branding right there with the infamous Mighty Morphin Thunderbolt. Super dope. I'm gonna be definitely rocking these with that green. Green is my favorite color. Tommy, the Green Ranger, is my favorite Power Ranger of all time. I'm not done yet, y'all. I am not done because, whew, I had to pick up some other shorts right here. Oh snap, man. Yeah, buddy. Look at these right here. The Mighty Morphin shorts. Super dope. So you already know I'm all rangered up. I'm ready, man. I am ready. Sublimated design all over front and back of the shorts. Love it, love it, love it. And this one right here, yo, this is by far one of my favorite movies of all time right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. You see that? I don't. I opened this and show y'all. I grew up in the I was born in 87, but primarily in the 90s. But you know, this movie right here, this is a classic movie, man. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, but yo, shit. You already know what's up. You already know what's up with this jacket right here. This is, oh my goodness. Oh snap, look at that. Damn. Bloodsport, yes sir, Jean-Claude Van Damme. The muscles from Brussels. This is a dope jacket, yo. This is like one of my favorite movies of all time right here. Hands down. If you haven't seen Bloodsport, you better go on YouTube right now, search it up. I think there's a couple of channels that actually offer you to be able to watch the entire full movie free of charge. Don't gotta sign up for nothing. This jacket, oh my gosh, this is definitely one of my favorite jackets. So you know what, shout outs to the people over at Chalkline for this, because this right here, I have never seen anyone really pull something off like this. And oh my goodness, for them to pay homage to Bloodsport, yo, much respect to y'all. You guys, you already know you guys are movie buffs. For you guys to be doing stuff of Bloodsport, making apparel for Bloodsport, yo, that's fire. You know, I know there's a couple of other pieces that they got that you guys have done for Bloodsport. I know you guys did like the track pants, the track suit, and you had those Kumite shorts. Oh my gosh, you guys got to restock those, because I gotta get me a hand on those shorts, those Kumite shorts. And I was highly debating on getting those track pants and the track suit, but yo, I had to kind of keep myself cool for a minute, because I spent a lot of money in the holidays. Start things out. Look at this beautiful design. You have this beautiful sublimated design of Frank Dukes, aka Jean-Claude Van Damme, or vice versa. You know, kicking the infamous villain antagonist of the film, Chong Li, portrayed by Bolo Yeung. Real classics. Two iconic people, two iconic characters that they played in these films right here. You got that beautiful Bloodsport woodmark right there with the sublimated design, and then of course on the arm sleeves you have Van Damme right there in his prime, man, flexing them muscles right there. He is getting down, doing that dim mac. You have the Bloodsport branding etched across the arms, and oh my gosh, I believe this is made of satin right here. The body of the jacket is made of satin. This jacket is adjustable with the buttons right there, as you can see, to button it up. There's no zippers with these jackets. This is super dope, man. I'm sorry. I am sorry, but yo, I'm fanboying hard right now. Look at this. Try this on real quick. My goodness, I love this. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. I'll fight to survive. That's my Van Damme impression. Yo, this is a dope jacket for sure. Bloodsport, again, one of my favorite movies. For those of you who don't know, this movie right here is just part of my childhood, and it's such a certified classic. All right, guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little review or unboxing I did for y'all. If you guys really want to see me do like an individual review of each item, I can, but I just wanted to share with you guys the unboxing and just kind of my reaction to this. These are super dope. You know, all these pieces that I bought, they were all on sale. They were marked down because of the sale that they were having, and I took advantage. These are like my first few chalk line items I got. I'm hooked. You know, I know they have a ton of stuff. Check them out. Have some really great things. And the thing with them is that they have a lot of like fandoms that I'm into. You know, a lot of like 90s, 80s nostalgia, and even today, And yo, I mean, definitely am not gonna be a stranger to this brand. Check them out. Real great items. The freaking apparel they drop is just simply bonkers, yo. So I'm happy. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. If you have already, you already know. God bless. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video because I was fanboying like a little kid in this video right here. But leave a like on the video and all that good stuff. And I will see y'all on the next video. All right? Stay easy, guys. Peace.